The DC region sees its share of winter weather, including significant snowfalls. And as we know, weather in our region can literally change overnight. Let's make sure you're ready to go with a few important winter maintenance tips. At Koons Ford of Silver Spring, we don't want our friends and neighbors caught unprepared for potentially dangerous driving conditions. Attention to a few details now will help you and your passengers stay safe and confident during the winter driving months ahead. First up, schedule a battery check. Cold temperatures hit batteries hard, but you can stay ahead of problems. Have a trained technician test your battery, charging system, and all terminal connections. This is a quick service to ensure your battery is ready for winter. Don't run the risk of being stranded in the cold and dark without lights, power, or heat. Next, check your wiper blades. These should be replaced every 6 months for maximum visibility. For our area, Koons Ford of Silver Spring recommends heavy-duty storm blades. These are great for heavy rain and snow, and now is the time to change to winter washer fluid. Also, remember to never use your wipers to clear snow or ice accumulation, as that'll compromise your wiper performance. Bottom line, be sure to locate your scraper and keep it in your vehicle. Tires are critical to bad weather driving. Stay safe by switching to winter tires if you're in an area prone to heavy snowfall. Check your tires for tread depth and even wear. The right tires with adequate tread will go a long way toward helping you stay in control in bad road conditions. Don't risk worn tires in heavy rain and snow. And remember, cold air causes tires to deflate, so check your tire pressure often during winter months. Now's also the time to change your oil, and have all your hoses, filters, and fluids checked during that service appointment. Plus, be sure to maintain at least half a tank of fuel at all times during cold weather for multiple reasons. Finally, consider putting together a winter emergency kit to carry in your vehicle. This can be a lifesaver. A few moments spent now can make a big difference. Enjoy winter adventures and drive with total confidence all season with help from the service department at Koons Ford of Silver Spring. Schedule your winter maintenance appointment with us today and drive worry-free this winter.